Hello! This video is my unboxing for iPhone XS Max. I went to 3 different Apple stores just to get my hands on the gold color. And it wasn't easy, guys, since most of iPhone XS Max were sold out everywhere. But finally, I found it. This is the iPhone box looks like. Since I love taking pictures and videos, I chose the 256 gigs. Let's have a look at the booklet. These instructions are for people who never uses an iPhone without a home button, because the iPhone XS uses Face ID to unlock iPhone, authorizes Apple payments, and performs other tasks. As usual, every new iPhone comes with the SIM card removal tool. I think I already have 5 of these from previous purchases. Hey, always good to have some spares, right? Wow, this is new for me because when I bought my iPhone XS Plus never came with stickers. I might have some use of this. So here it is from the front. As you can see, there is no home button. The sides are gold stainless steel band and the back looks very classy with the gold gloss finish. I'm very happy with this color. If you are thinking of getting gold color, I tell you, you won't regret it. Now, this is also new for me because it has 2 cameras. I am excited to take a lot of videos with this phone and see how's the quality of the camera. The charging port is still the same, USB-C. There is no earphone jack, and some people like me have mixed feelings because I have a few earphones that uses the earphone jack, but it's not the end of the world. There is a converter for that matter, as long as you don't mind to put a few bucks on it. This is an AirPods with a lightning connector. And last, we have the USB power adapter. Here's how it looks like when it's turned on. I really like the full size of the screen comparing to my old phone. Thank you for watching my iPhone XS Max unboxing, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Bye!